specialist, you've had some special training in laser lipo as well. And now, tell our audience what laser lipo is and what it can do for them in terms of their shapes and helping them to sculpt their bodies.
Well, the newest technology in liposuction includes laser liposuction. And laser will basically melt the fat first so that it decreases the amount of trauma that the skin and the tissues are going through. And then after everything is melted, then we can suck that oil that's left. We can extract that and it's gone.
Wow.
Now, do you see that with the laser lipo, you see that your patients have further weight loss, or is it just the small areas that you contour and that's all said and done there?
It kind of depends upon the patient, but there's some patients who are ongoing with their weight loss and their personal training and their diet, therapy, and then sometimes you hit these plateaus. And when you hit these plateaus, I've had some patients that have come to me and they really can't get over this tummy.
Yes.
They've got like a little, you know,
spare
tummy,
tire.
a little
Yes.
spare tire,
Yes.
a little bit on the flank, something like that, and they just can't quite get over that. They don't feel comfortable going to the gym as much as they like. Sometimes going to classes where while you're together with a lot of different people working on things gives you added incentive. And if you're embarrassed about a particular area of your body, then you don't want to go to these classes. And this gives them some incentive to get over some of those humps.
No.
I have a patient in particular that I was that I'm thinking of who lost 40 pounds after we did just her tummy.
That's great.
Wow.
Now, are there any limitations to laser lipo? I mean, are there, or can you just do it anywhere?
The best, I guess, the ideal candidate is someone who has just small little fat pockets. Like they've already worked out, they've already done their dieting, and they've basically hit their plateau, and they can just never get that little tummy off. That, you know, their lowest weight, they still got that tummy. And in fact, the weight they're happy with.
Wow, okay.
It's just
a little problem area.
Right.
Yeah. Or a little bit under the arms, or a little bit. So the areas that I think it's the best at improves the skin tightening as well. And so the neck, it's used for under the arms. It's used for little bellies, upper and lower abs, the flanks, knees. We've used it places like that.
Wow.
Right, and of course we've found, as you know, over the last probably decade, but especially in the last 5 years, that it's extremely important not to accumulate weight in the middle, because this is now, we've been told that that is very pathological, that it leads to all sorts of challenges. So you can help actually remove the fat from the spare tire?
From the spare tire, as long as it's external to the abdominal muscles, yes.
Well, I think we are going to be flooded. Now, where can we reach you? What is your website? What is your website, Doctor? Can you remember?
I can be reached at www.skinatlanta.com.
Skinatlanta.com.